Good morning, tribe. It's your boy C's from theCeesoflife.com, and today's a running day, aka field day or track day, whatever you want to call it. Right now, I'm in the on the track right behind the crib. I'll be doing some intervals, so 1 to 2 or 2 to 1. So basically, it's 1 minute hard and 2 minute recovery. So I'll be doing that for a total of 10 rounds. The workout will be in the description, so don't forget to check it out before you click off of this video and get it done yourself. So just a quick update on this program. Week 3 hasn't gone the way that I would like, especially with the traveling, you know. I wanted to incorporate the week 3 into the travel schedule because I do work with a lot of entrepreneurs who travel a lot, and I kind of wanted to develop a system that they can take on the road with them, and just didn't structure it properly the way that I would have liked to have structured it. So right now I'm back to the drawing board, but we're still on this preparation phase. So we're going into week 4 right now. Although I did get all the workouts in that I wanted to in week 3, week 4 is more like of a deload, but I wanted to jumpstart week 4 today and get this track workout in because, you know, I'm feeling like I have a lot more energy and I need to displace that energy somewhere, if you know what I'm talking about. So we gonna get to this workout. Enough with the talking, just finished my warm-up, and yeah, let's get to it. So that track workout did not go as I planned, but the thing is, you know, you adapt, right? You just take the data that you received and then you optimize for next time. And that's just the effects of getting back from vacation and back on your routine. So we'll see what this week holds. Right now, I'm just going to loop back around the pond and then just officially start this day. Let's go. All right, that lap was brutal. Now, post-workout shake, shower, then start the day. Whew, man.